Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
So, plan for today, we have an airboat ride booked.
Wild Willys airboat
Tours.
Yeah.
So hopefully we see some alligators today. That'd be good. Well, we'll find somewhere to have a lunch, late lunch-ish.
I'm having alligator soup. Make it snappy.
Wants to go to Harley Davidson in Orlando. I want to go to old downtown Disney, but we'll see what happens.
We can do both.
Yeah, I still need to do shopping. I still need to get stuff.
And a magnet. We need to
And
get
a magnet. Must remember to get a magnet.
I did. I went in the room to get the microphones for this. So, it's going to get noisy, so it'll probably just be talking about. But
Making faces, and then I'll set it to music.
But we are here at Wild Willys boat sales, and not long now before we, I suppose, get a safety briefing, get on board, and then go out looking for alligators.
Little change of plan. You know us. So we came to the conclusion that the car we had was too low to the ground. As nice as it was and as smart as it was, we've decided to upgrade to a SUV, which we came to Alamo to do, and they were absolutely brilliant. No issues, no extra fee, just really, really, really helpful. So I'm going to show you the car. So that sweet potato I just had literally a stack of marshmallows on top of it. I don't know what they think they're doing when they sweeten a sweet potato and put marshmallow on it. Who has sweet potato, marshmallow and steak? Weird. So we're on the road again. Where are we heading to today, Graham?
We are going to the Kennedy Space Center
for our anniversary present to one another. Today is our actual anniversary. All the stuff before, everything that's gone on this year, we've just made the most of it. So yeah, looking forward to today. we do need the sun to come out, but then we have got, what, an hour and a half's drive, so hopefully we'll find some sun on the way.
Yeah.
You refrain from flash photography for the duration of our presentation.
So we're here at Kennedy Space Centre. Behind us you can see Marvin the rover, and we are about to go on a bus tour to go and see all the launch pad sites and where they build the ships and get a guided tour.
The sun's come out as well.
The sun has come out. So we'll, I don't think you can do much videoing of these sort of things, but where we can we'll try. And we've had lunch. We've been on a couple of rides actually, but unfortunately you can't film, they don't let you do it. And
you like looking at the rockets, don't you?
oh yeah, it's just amazing. Some of the size, what you think the astronauts go through and things like that, and you know, so yeah, loving it, having a great day.
We have a really nice treat for you today. We're going to be taking you back to some of the restricted areas of the Kennedy Space Center, where you will see a real Saturn V rocket, just like the ones that our astronauts took to the moon 50 years ago. In a couple minutes, we're going to be at our first stop where you'll be able to get off the bus and take some pictures. But now you can see the gray stripes, those high bay doors on the side.
This is so cool. Cannot actually believe we got dropped off this close. So behind me, I'm just about to show you, if you've ever seen it on telly, it is the countdown clock.
All that white billowy stuff that you see at the moment of launch, that is not smoke. That is steam from the water hitting the flames coming out of the rocket engines.
Perspective, the big flag up there is actually that size in comparison. So the stars are 6 feet across. The stripes you can fit a bus into. So imagine that up there. It's huge.
I don't know, what sort of gives it away? Yeah, we're not actually going into the park, we're going to the Universal Studios City Walk. But just after such a long day at the Kennedy Space Centre, which I have to say is fantastic.
Was amazing.
If you're going to come over this way, make it one of your journeys, make it one of your stops, because it is superb. What a fantastic day. But anyway.
I'm hungry, as always.
Angry.